Hello. Are you looking to be able to construct a simple sentence in your writing but are afraid to ask how? Well, help is at hand. Although writing a simple sentence is relatively simple, as the name obviously suggests, there are a couple of things to think about. Firstly, a simple sentence is a sentence which always contains a subject, verb, and object. Anything that doesn't is either known as a minor sentence or is simply incorrect. So the following, I ran home, is an example of a simple sentence as I is the subject, the thing the sentence is about. The verb is ran, which means that the object, the submissive part of the sentence, is home. To indicate that the sentence is finished, I always ensure that I include punctuation at the end of it to indicate that it is complete. Another example is here. I looked for Carly and Ali at the bus station. Once again, the subject is I. The verb this time is looked, leaving the objects this time to be Carly and Ali. So make sure you have a go yourself and don't be afraid to experiment with it. Remember, your sentence, it needs to make sure it has a subject, verb, and object, and obviously then has a piece of punctuation at the end to indicate that you've finished that main idea. So good luck and thank you.